This morning we're going to do a cold start on the 1994 red LT1 convertible with 7,200 miles. Now the car's been here in my garage for a couple of weeks, really since I had the paint correction done on it. It's a little dusty in here, so you're going to have to forgive me as we uncover this car. But I want you to see that it is exactly what I'm saying it is. Okay. Pop the hood, the keys. I love these newer C4s with the gas pressurized lift on the hood, because these hoods are heavy. Good. 67 degrees, 67 degrees. But just to make sure, I'll show you. Everything's nice and cold. Steering wheel down so you can see all the gauges light up. Like a brand new car. No check engine light. All the lights inside work.